AI is taking over the football field. Yes, you heard it right. Big football companies are using AI for the selection process of footballers. Let's find out what the clubs are doing with AI. Now, AI is also coming to the sports field. So what is meant by AI? Artificial intelligence, AI, is the intelligent skills of machines or software. AI has many applications such as advanced web searches and giving recommendations to users, and it will be competing at the highest level in some strategic games such as chess. Artificial intelligence was founded in 1956. People's interests were changed to the artificial intelligence field, thus creating new methods and technologies to build an artificial intelligence that can go hand in hand with human beings. Geoffrey Everest Hinton is known as the godfather of artificial intelligence. Geoffrey is a British-Canadian psychologist and computer scientist. He was born on December 6, 1947. His most noted work was on artificial neural networks. From 2013 to 2023, Geoffrey divided his time working for Google's Google Brain and the University of Toronto. Geoffrey received the Turing Award, known as the Nobel Prize for Computing. Geoffrey, Yoshua Bengio, and Yann LeCun worked together on deep learning. Football is a sport that is played by two teams of 11 players on a rectangular field. The aim of the game is to score more goals than the other team by kicking or heading the ball into the opponent's goal. The game lasts 90 minutes, divided into two halves of 45 minutes each, with a 15-minute break. There are certain rules set by FIFA which all football clubs worldwide consider. One of the common methods for selecting players is through trials or auditions. Trials allow players to showcase their skills and abilities to scouts or coaches looking for new talent. The selection is made by different clubs, academies agents, or associations at various levels, which are conducted in different places and at different times. Football is a global sport that attracts millions of fans and players. However, finding and developing new talent is not an easy task. Traditionally, scouts would travel worldwide to watch matches and identify promising players. They would rely on their experience, intuition, and subjective criteria to evaluate the potential of each player. However, this method has many limitations, such as high costs, human bias, and limited coverage. To overcome these challenges, many football clubs now use artificial intelligence, AI, to help them scout new athletes. One of the main applications of AI in football scouting is computer vision, which is the ability of machines to process and understand visual information. Computer vision can use cameras, sensors, and software to capture and analyze players' movements, actions, and skills on the pitch. For example, computer vision can measure players' speed, acceleration, agility, passing accuracy, shooting power, and dribbling ability. It can also detect teams and players' positions, formations, and tactics. It is very relieving for the committee to select players. Another application of AI in football scouting is machine learning, which is the ability of machines to learn from data and improve their performance without explicit programming. Machine learning can use statistical methods to find patterns and correlations in data and make predictions or recommendations based on them. For example, machine learning can use historical data on players' performance, injuries, transfers, and market value to estimate their current and potential future. It can also use data on players' personalities, psychology, and behavior to assess their fit with a club's culture and philosophy. By using AI in football scouting, clubs can benefit from several advantages. First, they can reduce the costs and time of scouting by using digital tools instead of physical travel. Second, they can increase the coverage and diversity of scouting by reaching out to more regions and levels of football. Third, they can improve the accuracy and objectivity of scouting by using data recorded instead of the opinions of others. Fourth, they can enhance the creativity and innovation of scouting by discovering new talents that might otherwise be overlooked. However, AI in football scouting also has some limitations and challenges. First, it requires a lot of data and computing power to function properly. This means clubs need to invest in infrastructure and technology for this AI to collect and process data. Second, it depends on the quality and reliability of data sources. This means clubs must verify and validate their data and avoid errors or biases. It cannot replace human judgment and intuition completely. This means that clubs still need to use scouts and coaches to complement AI with their expertise and experience. AI is transforming football scouting by providing clubs new tools and methods to find new athletes. AI can help clubs scout more efficiently, effectively, and intelligently by using computer vision and machine learning to analyze data and provide insights. However, AI also has some limitations and challenges that need to be addressed by clubs. Therefore, AI should be seen as a partner for human scouts in football scouting rather than a competitor. AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines or systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and decision-making. AI can use algorithms to analyze large amounts of data and provide insights that humans might miss or overlook. Chelsea now uses a software called Caffe, Cognition and Football Evaluation. This software uses computer vision and machine learning to measure the cognitive abilities of every player. Computer vision is the ability of machines to learn from data and thus improve their performance without any other programming. The Caffe uses cameras and sensors to capture and analyze the movements and actions of the players on the pitch. It then uses machine learning to calculate the scores of players based on the four-dimension system. The computer records anticipation, creativity, decision-making, and execution. Chelsea uses the Caffe. The football club can evaluate and identify players with high cognitive abilities. The club can compare the data and skills of different players, make decisions in recruiting new players, and improve the current player's performance. Chelsea is also using Skill Corner. It uses computer vision and deep learning to track and analyze the cations and movements of the players in real time. Deep learning is a machine that uses artificial intelligence and artificial neural networks to learn from the stored complex data. The neural networks consist of layers of nodes that mimic the structure and function, just like the human brain. The Skill Corner also uses cameras and software to capture and process the video feeds of football matches from different leagues and competitions worldwide. Then, it uses deep learning to get various data points from the video, such as the position, speed of the player, passes, shots, dribbles, tackles, interception, goals, assists, etc., to analyze the playing performance of the player, and it rates the player by cross-picking the data it collected, thus easing the job of the club. AI Scout app is a mobile application that helps football clubs to find and analyze new players. It is a way of making machines or systems that can do things that normally need human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and decision-making. AI Scout app uses two technologies to measure and analyze the abilities of players: computer vision and machine learning. Computer vision is the ability of machines to see and understand visual information, such as images or videos. Machine learning is the ability of machines to learn from data and improve their performance without being told what to do. AI Scout app uses computer vision and machine learning to capture and process the video feeds of football matches from different leagues and competitions. It then extracts various data points from the video feeds, such as the positions, velocities, accelerations, orientations, passes, shots, dribbles, tackles, interceptions, goals, assists, and players' ratings. Using the AI Scout app, Chelsea can access and analyze data about players from different sources. The club can use this data to scout and recruit players who match their criteria and preferences. The club can also use this data to monitor and evaluate their players' performance and progress. All these features, such as Caffe and Skill Corner, are coming under this app. In this app, players who want to show their talent can post their videos through this app by doing the tests that the app tells. Using this, football clubs can best skilled players from anywhere in the world. As AI is taking over the football field, will there be a football club run by AI? Most probably. As the tech is coming to sports also, it will surely be an evolution. Comment your thoughts on AI coming to sports, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.